Everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video today I'm going to talk about how to find coupons on Walmart app. So let's get into the video. So if you open up Walmart app, and then if you have an account, so log into your account. So once I've logged in here, so this is the home page here. So here, if you're looking for coupons, like if you see there are like deals here, like when you get to like go to your services tab here. So here you can find like, oh sorry, not services, search tab here. So if you go to search tab here you can find deals. So actually if you click on deals, you will see like offers and deals on this site. But if you are specifically looking for coupons, like there's no specific area or section where you can find coupons on the app. So basically what you have at the moment is simply just these deals that you can use. So under the deals section you can see all the deals that are available currently. So they don't specifically have a coupon section on the app yet. So I hope this information is helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.